In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your project in Lovable with your own domain. This step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process, making it easy for anyone to get started. So let's dive in and make your project live on the web. First, you'll want to navigate to the Lovable website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL lovable.dev. Once you've arrived on the home page, the next step is to open your specific project within Lovable. Log into your account if prompted and locate the project you wish to publish. Click on it to open and get started. Before jumping into the publishing phase, it's crucial to ensure your design is perfect. Take a moment to finalize your design elements. Click on the Preview button located in the top right of your project window. This allows you to see your project as your audience will. It's also a smart move to test how your design responds across different devices. Check it on both mobile and tablet views to ensure a seamless experience for all users. Now that you're satisfied with how your project looks and functions, it's time to make it public. Click on the Publish button. You'll find it on your project dashboard, and this will initiate the process of putting your work out into the world. For those wanting to use a custom domain, like your own branded web address, you'll opt for a few additional steps. Click on the Custom Domain option. This brings us to connecting your specific domain name. Select Connect Domain, and you'll be able to enter the domain you own. Type in your domain name in the provided field. For example, you might enter www.yourbrand.com. Once you've entered your desired domain, click Continue. Lovable will now present you with a set of DNS records. These records are important for linking your domain to your project accurately. Next up, head over to your domain provider's website. This step will differ depending on where you bought your domain. If you're using GoDaddy, for example, you can visit their site at godaddy.com. Navigate to your dashboard and look for your DNS settings. Here, you'll need to update your records based on the information Lovable provided earlier. Carefully input these DNS records to ensure your domain links properly to your project. Once your DNS settings are adjusted correctly, you're almost there. Return to your Lovable project and verify that everything is connected. This usually takes a bit of time, as DNS changes can propagate within a few minutes to a couple of hours. Be patient and give it a moment. Finally, once everything is verified, you'll be able to complete the publishing process. Celebrate! You've successfully published your project on your own domain with Lovable. Your work is now accessible to anyone around the world right from your customized web address. Thank you for watching, and happy publishing.